Do you feel like you don't speak enough Spanish? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
Hi everybody, my name is Rosa. Welcome to the 2000 Core Spanish Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is contabilidad, accounting. Contabilidad, contabilidad, accounting. Contabilidad completa, full accounting. Contabilidad completa. Prima, bonus. Prima, prima. Bonus. Prima de Navidad. Christmas bonus. Prima de Navidad. Ligero. Light. Ligero. Ligero. Light. Las mochilas deben ser ligeras y fáciles de llevar. Backpacks should be light and easy to carry. Las mochilas deben ser ligeras y fáciles de llevar. Trombón. Trombone. Trombón. Trombón. Trombone. Tocar el trombón. Play the trombone. Tocar el trombón. Salida. Departure. Salida. Salida. Departure. Fecha de salida. Departure date. Fecha de salida. Llegada. Arrival. Llegada. Llegada. Arrival. Puerta de llegada. Arrival gate. Puerta de llegada. Violín. Violin. Violín. Violín. Violin. La mujer y el hombre están tocando el violín. The man and woman are playing the violin. La mujer y el hombre están tocando el violín. Ciencias de la Tierra. Earth Science. Ciencias de la Tierra. Ciencias de la Tierra. Earth Science. Investigación de las ciencias de la Tierra. Earth Science Research. Investigación de las ciencias de la Tierra. Ciencia. Science. Ciencia. Ciencia. Science. Estudio de la ciencia. Study of science. Estudio de la ciencia. Receta. Prescription. Receta. Receta. Prescription. Rellenar una receta. Fill a prescription. Rellenar una receta. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Spanish, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say accounting? Contabilidad. Contabilidad. And how to say bonus? Prima. Prima. What about light? Ligero. Ligero. Do you remember how to say trombone? Trombón. Trombón. Let's try departure. Salida. Salida. What about arrival? Llegada. Llegada. Now, let's see if you remember how to say violin. Violín. Violín. Another one. What about earth science? Ciencias de la Tierra. Ciencias de la Tierra. Do you remember how to say science? Ciencia. Ciencia. And finally, do you remember how to say prescription? Receta. Receta. Well done. See you next time. Adiós.
Now, if you're wondering how to remember these words forever so that you can start speaking more and more, here's how. 1. Review them with our spaced repetition flashcards. Our flashcards will drill these words into your long-term memory. 2. Save the words to our word bank, your personal collection of words, where you can print out physical study sheets. And 3. Watch our looped vocabulary slideshows on repeat until you understand every word. You'll find these tools inside our learning program. Just click the link in the description to get them. Want to know if your Spanish skills are improving and what your real learning level is? Get your language skills assessed with our free level assessment test. Just click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get assessed.
Hi everybody, my name is Rosa. Welcome to the 2000 Core Spanish Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is alergia. Allergy. Alergia. Alergia. Allergy. Alergia al polen. Allergy to pollen. Alergia al polen. Tarjeta de embarque. Boarding pass. Tarjeta de embarque. Tarjeta de embarque. Boarding pass. Tarjeta de embarque, por favor. Boarding pass, please. Tarjeta de embarque, por favor. Educación. Education. Educación. Educación. Education. Educación y entrenamiento. Education and training. Educación y entrenamiento. Inglés. English. Inglés. Inglés. English. El señor Suzuki enseña inglés. Mr. Suzuki teaches English. El señor Suzuki enseña inglés. Ley. Law. Ley. Ley. Law. La ley y el orden. Law and order. La ley y el orden. Flauta. Flute. flauta, flauta, flute, flauta de plata, silver flute, flauta de plata, departamento de informática, IT department, departamento de informática, departamento de informática, IT department. Llame al departamento de informática. Call the IT department. Llame al departamento de informática. Viaje de negocios. Business trip. Viaje de negocios. Viaje de negocios. Business trip. Ir de viaje de negocios. Go on a business trip. Ir de viaje de negocios. Marketing. 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 Yo trabajo en marketing. I work in marketing. Yo trabajo en marketing. Popular. 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 Hombre popular. Popular man. Hombre popular. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Spanish, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say allergy? Alergia. Alergia. And how to say boarding pass? Tarjeta de embarque. Tarjeta de embarque. What about education? Educación. Educación. Do you remember how to say English? Inglés. Inglés. Let's try law. Ley. Ley. What about flute? Flauta. Flauta. Now let's see if you remember how to say IT department. Departamento de informática. Departamento de informática. Another one. What about business trip? Viaje de negocios. Viaje de negocios. Do you remember how to say marketing? Marketing. Marketing. And finally, do you remember how to say popular? Popular. Popular. Well done. See you next time. Adiós.
Did you take your free level assessment yet? Here's an extra bonus resource you'll get when you take the assessment. When you receive your result and learning level, you also unlock a free language course for your specific level, so you can start learning and level up your language skills. Just click the link in the description to get access.
Hi everybody, my name is Rosa. Welcome to the 2000 Core Spanish Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is insignificante. Insignificant. Insignificante. Insignificante. Insignificant. Cantidad insignificante. Insignificant amount. Cantidad insignificante. Famoso. Famous. Famoso. Famoso. Famous. Actor famoso. Famous actor. Actor famoso. Estornudar. Sneeze. Estornudar. Estornudar. Sneeze. La mujer está estornudando. The woman is sneezing. La mujer está estornudando. Casual. 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 Ropa casual. Casual clothing. Ropa casual. Guitarra. Guitar. Guitarra. Guitarra. Guitar. Tocas muy bien la guitarra. You play the guitar very well. Tocas muy bien la guitarra. Respirar. Breathe. Respirar. Respirar. Breathe. Respirar hondo. Breathe deeply. Respirar hondo. Escupir. Spit. Escupir. Escupir. Spit. No escupir. No spitting. No escupir. Dentista. Dentist. Dentista. Dentista. Dentist. Buen dentista. Good dentist. Buen dentista. Caries. Cavity. Caries. Caries. Cavity. Caries profunda. Deep cavity. Caries profunda. Asma. 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 Inhalador para el asma. Asthma inhaler. Inhalador para el asma.
Now that you're finished with this lesson, want to know if your Spanish skills have improved? Take our free assessment test to assess your language, discover your true learning level, and get free access to a language course for your specific level. An easy-to-follow course where you learn the real language, the everyday conversations that you'll soon have, and absorb these practical conversations just by listening along, with quick audio and video lessons from real teachers. So click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get assessed. Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the Word Bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.